All right, the final installation option is the I want to get started right now option. If you hit any roadblocks, had any issues with installing things, if the company you work for doesn't allow you to install software on your machine, this is the option for you. We're going to be using a tool called REPL.it, REPL.it. This is what it looks like when you are not signed in, you don't have an account. It's totally free. Just click Start Coding, create an account, sign in with GitHub, Google, Facebook, or create one from scratch. And once you finish that, you'll see something like this. REPL.it is an application or a website that allows us to create coding environments completely in the browser. So your code will be Python code. It will run as Python, but it will be run on a different machine, and then the result will be sent back to you. And it's a very, very seamless, easy experience. So I'm going to go to create. I have Python here because I've made Python REPLs recently, but you probably haven't. So you click that plus sign. And then you want to find Python. If you don't see it, just type Python and give it a name. Python, REPL, whatever you want. Make it public or private. I think you have to pay to make things private. We'll create that. And in case you're thinking or doubting that this is real Python, that maybe this is somehow a dumbed down version, that is not the case. People use REPL.it all the time in professional settings, but also many courses are done entirely with REPL.it. They don't even bother having people install. And I kind of debated doing that because installation is a headache. Anyway, what we see here is our editor. So I can write some code in here. Print. This is what I did in the Windows install video and the Mac install video. We're going to print hello world. And if I want to run it, I'm going to click that button. It also will show me the shortcut to execute it, command return. I'm on a Mac. So you'll see the output is hello world. Let's do something slightly more interesting. Let's multiply it by 10. I'll run it. And we see hello world printed out 10 times. So you'll see me running code from, writing stuff in a VS Code file and hitting this play button. But if you're using REPL.it, you'll be writing your code in here and hitting this button. Additionally, if you want interactive Python, you actually just have it right here. You can just interact with Python immediately. You don't have to open up a separate window. So that is REPL.it. It is nice and easy, very straightforward option to use, and nothing at all wrong with it. No shame involved. It's real Python.